What?
I can't cock it.
I don't know. Are you filming now?
Yes. All right. Where's Flapjack? Ah! What? Jeez. And we have joining with us Smoothie, Smug Chicken. Ryan is not here. You have me. I have to. How do they do this? Is this a good shot?
You need, there you go, now you're saying.
Thank you. And today we are having an airsoft war, so it should be pretty dope.
His commanding sergeant is like, do you know why your gun is not working? He's like, no, he just kind of sits there, just stupid. And he's like, maybe because your mag is in upside down, soldier. So he pulls it out, flips it around, puts it in backwards. The commanding sergeant's like, no, soldier, get it right. And so he finally puts it in right, and his safety's gone.
There we go. Loompa, loompa, jibbity doo. I've got another riddle for you. Yay, David! I got you. How do you open this? What?
Lefty Lucy. I thought you tossed it off. What?
That's because that's the sound effect that it should be making. Gentlemen, I have reached the top.
Baby, beautiful.
Yes. What? Oh, no.
Oh, it works.
So Andrew, David, and Devin are going to be subject to a firing squad because they dared play the game that starts with an F, ends with an E. The new game, it's the F word. You're gonna die. I actually don't really care because I've never played it, but if it's that dumb, then they should be shot.
Yes.
Okay.
So, everybody line up on the barn.
Try to shoot right in between you.
Yeah, I will. Body.
You can turn around if you want. It's probably better.
Shoot for body shots.
Aim for the body shots.
Those are more painful.
No, you gotta put down the pistol, Andrew. You have to put down the pistol. You can't shoot back.
I'm not going to.
This is firing squad.
This is plenty distance. Okay, how many rounds are we pumping into them?
As many as possible.
21.
21.
Don't we get to smoke before we die?
Nope. Grab some weed. No, you mentioned the unmentionable game. That's just wrong.
Okay, who's shooting whom?
I
got Devin.
I'm just gonna do a spray across.
That works.
Okay. Everybody spray across. Ready? Wait, hold on.
One.
No.
Oh, that was too fast.
Devin flinched.
Let's see how close I can get into his face.
No. Do not do it.
That's the head. That's the head. All right. Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
I think at the end you specifically hit Devin more than once.
Oh yeah, I was like, he's lingering.
But it happened so fast.
Did you even get hit?
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. Yeah, I saw him like. Never mention the unmentionable game again.
I got like hit 3 times.
Oh, you mean?
the arm.
Oh. Ow.
I was okay for like half the time, and then it went.
All right, that'll teach you guys to mention or play the unmentionable game because David's even played it.
Justice has been served.
It hurts my feet.
What?
What'd you do?
Andy. I didn't do nothing!
Ruh-roh.
So we were painting at Mila Zoe in Greece, and there was like a bunch of.
There we go.
I wonder if there's still a hole at the Caterpillar Clubhouse.
Is that where you went?
For the guys lock-in thing.
Oh.
And I pushed all the walls were made of nothing but drywall.
Okay.
And so it was hollow underneath. So they said, don't hit the walls. So I like pushed the door open, and then somebody followed me and pushed it open even harder. And we were told that there was a hole in the wall. So we go back to where we were, and the door had hit the door stopper and pushed the door stopper through the wall. So I was like, well, where's the door stopper? Why is there no? Oh, there is. It's in the wall. The red lit hallways were.
Yeah, that was terrifying.
And then you had the mystery.
Mystery go.
Somebody had you.
The mystery diarrhea was on
That was weird because they said it was like the.
What made it scary was just daycare.
But they said it was like the glue coming up from under the tiles, but it's like.
It looked like diarrhea. What?
It came up like everywhere though.
Yeah.
There's so many
And that
guys
one-
running around like heated up and all the weight on the floor. So
Okay, when you said there's so many guys running around, all heated up, I thought that was the reason for the diarrhea. That's what I was when he's like, all the guys running around heated up. I was like, so the poop melted because they're so heated up. Is that what's going? Is that how you all work?
Did you eat all the Swedish fish out of that box?
He bought a bunch.
Only one box. I'm not supposed to know.
made it.
Ooh. How many boxes did you buy?
Okay.
Ooh.
Wait. Pause the picture. Return. There we go.
Give my Swedish fish!
Give my sweet fish. Choking. Are you choking?
No, it came out, but where'd it go?
The instinct.
Sprouted off and then caught it again, and it went to the back of my throat.
Is that Lord of the Rings?
No, it's Halo.
Oh.
No, David, you must complete the Halo ring.
There's the Halo.
On this side.
Here, move this.
I will get in the center and circle around you.
Where'd it go?
I don't know.
It was dusty. I gotta remember.
Sour gummy
Yeah,
worms,
cheers.
water, and then what did you put from the grocery bag?
Whatever's in the bag.
Oh, it's those like chewy lemon tropical.
Ew.
Drugs.
Drugs.
Can't imagine what it tastes like. It just tastes
It's actually kind of cool. It's like putting lemon in water, but it's not lemon. You know what I mean?
No.
No, you should try Pepsi and mix all those things in.
I feel sick right now.
First drink Pepsi and then eat some MissTakes.
Oh. Good times.
Horrible.
There was this movie where like
This is
food
the
was
best
trying
idea
to kill
ever.
people.
This is like that sour
And in
drink
order
that I
to kill
made.
people,
Cloudy with a chance of
they,
meatballs?
like
And I was like,
the Mento candies killed themselves by diving into the person's mouth, and one soda killed itself by diving onto the person's face. So he like imploded, Well, exploded from the inside out.
What movie was this?
It's a very bad movie.
Deadpool.
Probably on the same level as that, but I'd rather not say it. I don't feel comfortable.
I won't put it on if.
Well,
No.
I mean, I don't want you guys going to watch this movie.
No, we're not. We're not
We
going
won't
to.
judge you.
No, we're not going to.
Promise.
Okay.
We won't judge you.
Juju.
This is a room full of love.
Judge movie.
It's called Sausage Party.
You little.
We want to play Capture Coding again? We could.
No, I had you. Will you dance for me?
Floss.
Here we go. Now we found it.
Guys, this is the song. You ready?
So, even though I already beat a monster, I can go like, hey, I want to kill this thing just for treasure.
Only if you
kick down the door and it's not a monster, you can look for trouble, which means play a monster.
Oh, if it's not a monster, okay.
We got lost in conversation.
Yeah.
Wait, are you even playing
Level
anymore?
18 Hong Kong.
He wasn't playing at
Oh.
all. He's been just, I don't know, mooching off the conversation without contributing to the game.
Because then I would fall asleep.
Or below.
I don't like board games. I get bored.
Look at the backdrop. Males are
What
dead.
about Twister?
Females are dressed in a night.
That doesn't count
or a
as
night
board
and
game.
taken to the top of the tallest
It is
building
something
and
you
tried
lay
to
down-
Thin
resolve
plastic
it.
paper
That's
game.
level.
There you go.
It depends. Like how stretchy I am that day.
Wait,
But
And whether
does
you're
anybody
versus
wanna
male or
help me
female.
kill this?
this thing
Makes it, that makes it more
Kind of
interesting.
important.
My mom, okay, my birthday party, my mom's like, I want to play Twister at your birthday party. I'm like, Mom, hormonal teenagers. Not a good idea. Not.
Yeah, they have Japanese girls coming over
Actually, let me
tomorrow,
count. I
and
am
for a party that they're gonna have, they want to play Twister. And I'm like,
I have 4.
hey,
If I have
you
to.
grown-ups, you sweet little innocent grown-ups.
Or I can help you
Skill
try to catch up to
required.
Andrew so we can push him behind.
Level Jason Bourne.
But I'm not. But why? But you don't want to help him because he gains levels.
I am one-handedly
Where are
putting
you
my
right
sock
now,
on
man? This
underneath
is
the
you?
bed.
Yes, he's in second
I'm not
place,
very much higher.
and I don't
While
even.
being
I don't
poked.
even. He moves. He moves. He will move here.
He's like,
He will be
skill,
only
I
two
am,
behind
it's
him.
like skill level
And
Jason
doing
Bourne.
this
I'm
as
one-handedly
a tiny
putting on
just
a
for one
sock
treasure. You
while
still get
under a
4.
bed, and I'm like,
Oh,
You
it's
get 4.
while being
backwards.
poked.
You get 4 treasures.
I can't pass that up, guys.
While
Anybody
being
want to
poked.
sabotage?
Yes.
Now,
Oh,
like
God.
3 pounds.
What are you doing?
I put my sock
And I go
on.
up 2
Wait, we aren't sure. We aren't exactly sure what's going on.
You were still working on the sock? How long did that take?
If it's a style or a race.
About a minute.
Yes.
Okay, you can have that.
A lot of thousands.
Ooh.
Okay, didn't you have something for short? No, that's a weird. There's both of them at the same time. If you have them both, I can have as many foot gear as I want. Ow, what was that?
I speak of you.
Somebody get an airsoft
You can
gun.
have the one that's
Right there.
I'm gonna
Do
play
we
the
want to
horde and
delve
draw 3
into
more.
the dark world of Devin?
Andrew, what have you done?
No.
No.
I'm gonna build
Doesn't
a level.
What have you done, Andrew?
I don't care. I'm playing this and
With Devin is
I'm
hugging up.
doing one of these.
He's back.
I'm going to put my Zorch torch,
No.
Hide it.
my 5-year-old toenails.
You left it.
Yes.
What?
I just got
Go ahead, slide it. Slide it to Andrew. Do it.
What?
Do it. Slide it to Andrew.
What?
I slid it to David.
I watched you.
Apparently not very
Take
well.
it. Move it this way.
Apparently not very well because he did it to David.
I know we didn't hand it to David. I'm talking to you. I'm saying what? Slide it to Andrew.
I'm thinking.
You were like contemplating it, and then you hit it under your leg. Phone.
I will sit on this game.
Oh my gosh.
Watch me.
You will be punished.
Watch me sit on
Firing
it.
squad. I'm going
You
to
will
sell
get 2
both of
firing
these
squads.
I'll also
and
get my
go up a
phone.
level.
Andrew, I can't believe you.